I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the platform, Mk6 GTI with a healthy 2.0 TSI turbo and no active boost leaks, because Flutter relies on stable boost behavior. Next, remove the intake hose to access the diverter valve plumbing. Keep the battery connected so radio presets stay intact. Install a small vacuum T-piece or block into the N75/PCV line as the first actionable modification, and route a short silicone hose to where you'll later vent or restrict flow. Once the T-piece and short silicone hose are fitted, you move on to controlled venting. Fit a partial restriction or a calibrated one-way valve to the outlet to provoke the desired flutter without overventing. You adjust angle and hose length to change frequency and amplitude. Shorter runs give sharper pulses. Then perform incremental road tests under light throttle, noting RPM and boost when flutter occurs. Make small changes, because large changes can upset turbo response. Document each change so you can revert if needed. To finish, secure all fittings, trim and clamp hoses neatly, and confirm there are no boost leaks during higher load runs. This protects turbo health. Once done, record the RPM and boost range where flutter is present and listen for abnormal sounds that indicate compressor surge versus controlled flutter. If you get check engine lights, drop in torque or unexpected boost loss, recheck seals and hose routing. Then revert to stock diverter plumbing and scan the ECU. If problems persist, consult a professional tuner before proceeding further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.